Irrigation. We know that water is one of the most important parts of our life as well as plants' life. In agriculture, a crop is totally dependent on water, and the basic source of water is rainfall. Most agriculture in India is rain-fed. That is, the success of crops in most areas is dependent on timely monsoons and sufficient rainfall spread through most of the growing season. Hence, poor monsoons cause crop failure. Ensuring that the crops get water at the right stages during their growing season can increase the expected yields of any crop under irrigation. So we can say that irrigation is the process of supplying water to crops by ponds, lakes, tanks, wells, etc. India has a wide variety of water resources and a highly varied climate. So, some important water resources used for irrigation purposes are wells. There are two types of wells: dug wells, tube wells. In a dug well, water is collected from water-bearing strata, but in a tube well, they can tap water from the deeper strata. Canals. Canals take water from irrigation from rivers, dams, lakes, etc. to the agricultural land. This is usually an elaborate and extensive irrigation system. The main canal is divided into branch canals having further distributaries to irrigate fields. River lift systems. In areas where canal flow is insufficient or irregular due to inadequate reservoir release, the lift system is very useful for irrigation. Water is directly drawn from the rivers for enhancing the irrigation in areas which is close to rivers. Tanks. These are small storage reservoirs which store the runoff of smaller catchment areas. This system is very common in hilly regions. For increasing the irrigation, this involves building small check dams which lead to an increase in groundwater levels. The check dams stop the rainwater from flowing away and also reduces soil erosion.